Welcome back to Toy Crypto. Today I want to test out DragonSwap, which just went live yesterday on Sei Devnet. Right now we can test this out. It seeks to be the top DEX on Sei blockchain, lightning fast. You swap any token on Sei, and anyway, you can come here and read more about it. In this video, I just want to focus on actually seeing if we can test it out. So I would start by going to their X account, and then if you go here, you'll see Attention Dragons. We're live on Sei Devnet. It's time to redefine trading with Sei V2 EVM. So you can test it out here. You can click the link here to get to it. You could also go to their Discord, and then you can click on Launch App, and then go ahead and connect wallet. And right now, MetaMask is the wallet that you would use. Nice thing about Sei V2, it's going to make it seamless for Ethereum users to use Sei. Everything runs through the EVM. MetaMask is the wallet that most people use on Ethereum. All right, so go ahead and connect your MetaMask. Then you have to add the Sei Network. Here's the information for adding it. I'm just going to go ahead and copy this, and then I'm going to paste it into Notepad. Click Approve, switch network. So then let's go ahead and open MetaMask again. So it actually looks like it automatically added Sei Testnet for me. That's kind of nice. So yeah, you see if I switch to Avalanche, it'll say wrong network, Sei Testnet. So it actually automatically added it for me. That's nice. So all I had to do is connect my MetaMask wallet, and it added the Sei Testnet network for me, which is great. If it doesn't add it for you, I'll put this info in the video description so that you can go ahead and manually add it to your MetaMask account. So that's step one. You have to have the Sei Testnet. Next, we need to get some tokens to play with, right? We need some faucet tokens. So to get some testnet tokens, we need to go here, Sei Faucet, and I'll put this link in the video description. Connect your wallet, select MetaMask, next, connect. So it says you can request 2 Sei tokens every 24 hours. It says you need to verify you're a human, so log in with GitHub. So we'll try that. I don't currently have a GitHub account, so I'm gonna go ahead and make one. Once you have a GitHub account, you can go ahead and log in, and it takes you to this to authorize Sei Testnet Faucet, authorize Nima Enterprises. It says you're being redirected. Now let's send a request for 2 Sei. It says success, you requested Sei tokens. So I don't know how long it takes for them to show up in your MetaMask, but let's say close. Let's check MetaMask. Okay, cool. So actually it's already in there. That was like instant. So looks like we have 2 Sei test tokens. Let's go ahead and connect our wallet. MetaMask, connect. All right, so it updated our balance. We have 2 Sei to play around with. Let's go ahead and do a swap. So they've said nothing yet about a airdrop, but it never hurts to play around with these new protocols when they're in testnet. In case there could be, it really costs you nothing except for a little bit of time. So it's probably worth testing it out just in case there is an airdrop in the future. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and just do a swap. So let's just say 0.1 Sei for just say USDC, and we're gonna go ahead and click swap. This pops up, little dragon. It's kind of cool. All right, MetaMask pops open. We're gonna go ahead and confirm. It says transaction confirmed. Let's go back to MetaMask. Looks like we have one confirmation, and then you can always import, I believe you could import USDC or whatever token you're doing. I'm not going to do that in this video, but you could go ahead and do that just so you have them in here. So if I was testing this out, I would do a couple more swaps, provide feedback in their Discord. So you can go into DragonSwap Discord, and then you can go to feedback. And in here, you can go ahead and let them know your experience. Let them know if you found any bugs, what you like, what you don't like. They're listening and making updates right now in real time. So you can contribute to the development of this new DEX on Sei. Some other things I would do is I would go ahead and enter some pools, some liquidity pools. So let's see, now that I have Sei and USDC, let's see if there's one available. Let's go ahead and click next. One thing I would say for feedback is I wish it would show a little bit where you could just scroll and see instead of having to click next. But here's Sei USDC. So let's go ahead and click show pool, and you can see the pool stats. So we're gonna add liquidity since we have both Sei and we have USDC in our wallet. 0.2, that much USDC, approve USDC. Again, I would just play around with this as much as you possibly can. You can do it for a couple reasons to help enhance this product as fast as possible with no bugs. And you can also do it in case there's a potential airdrop. Again, why not if it just takes a little bit of time. All right, so let's go ahead and click approve USDC, click next, click approve, approving. confirm transaction. All right, so now I'm gonna say add liquidity. Again, this dragon pops up. Go ahead and confirm it, confirm transaction. Then you can go ahead and withdraw it if you want. But again, just play around with this, do some swaps, enter some pools. Farms are coming soon, it looks like. Definitely jump into their Discord to learn more. So if you're already in the Sei ecosystem, I definitely encourage you to check out DragonSwap, and I hope this video is helpful. See you on the next one.